Well, guys, my lights showed up. I got one here, and I got the other one kind of plugged in. I just wired an extension cord into it real quick, and I got an extension cord running out into the other plug. But I am starting to get this thing going. I ran a wire all the way over to the breaker over there. It's off right now because I wouldn't be doing that if it was on. Yeah, so I got a wire. I'm thinking I'll use this as the main feed for power into it, and then I'll I don't know, maybe I'll put a box here, a junction here, and then run a wire over to there for an outlet, and then maybe another outlet there or something, because I wanna set some of this stuff up. I still gotta build my lathe and everything, but yeah, this is just one light, and I gotta see how it's all intended. So, just one of these lights lights up this on the pipe. One of these lights lights this up pretty freaking decent. Two of them's gonna be just awesome. But yeah, I got quite a bit of stuff to do. I got so much cleaning to do on the lathe, it's ridiculous. But she's getting there. I can't wait to get it going. That's a fun game, by the way. Yeah, so I still got to get wood for the lathe table, but that will happen pretty soon. I'm thinking probably in about a week, and then I can start building the lathe and going through that. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good. I need to find a way to secure it onto the roof. Flies and crap. Even with the light up. Well, no, I guess that's not great light. Yeah, that's way better. I'll face them down. I was thinking about facing them up so it's softer light, but it's still not bad, but it's another project. That's the one for my buddy Kyle that I gotta do. But yeah, I think facing down is definitely the way to go. I'll probably suspend them from the roof. That'd make it a little easier, and it'll allow these things to cool a bit too. It's not hot, but it's not, you can feel a little bit of heat coming off it. But anyways, that's what I've been up to tonight. I had a long day at work, and yeah, just put in another couple hours here, so frig am I tired. I want to use that as the fuel tank for the genset there. I think that'd be awesome. I still really want to get that project going, but that's a little ways off. I have to get this Mazda going ASAP. Might run that as a compound on the Volkswagen too. It's Toyota CT26A. That's that one that I rebuilt 6-7 years ago, something like that. Yeah, I think that's right. But anyways, yeah, that'll. Hey guys, well, back out at the farm again, working on the lighting. Like you can tell, I got some stuff run. Can't tell depth perception. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it's not ideal, but it is safe. It's not gonna friggin' catch fire or anything. So let me show you what I've got done so far. So I got both the lights hung. I gotta get rid of this pipe. There's just some stuff hanging on it on the other side, and it's just pushed through the wall. So I'll unhook the stuff and pull the pipe out and get rid of it. But anyways, chain. That stuff there, I can't even get to it because this is all in the way. This is my workstation. That's what I would stand on before to get up to the roof. It's the old lathe table. But anyways, you know what? I'll just crawl up and show you guys what I did. All right, so I bought this chain from the hardware store. Same place I bought all the little clips and morettes and stuff and junction boxes and whatnot. But yeah, so what I did is I wanted a Y or an A-frame like that so that it would support both ends of the light and it wouldn't wobble like that. It still does, but not as bad. So I just pulled one of those links, the open link, You can kind of see it. Pulled the open link open. I made 4 of these lengths the same, and then 8 of these. So it's got a Y to each leg. So works pretty good. I'll climb down and show you guys. Notice the light switch is off. All right, so I got my junction box here. Main power comes in here, gets all jumbled around. It's actually very methodically laid out. So anyways, main power goes in here. One of the main wire, how did I put it? The neutrals go here and here, and there's, yeah, because there's 2 out. The hots go to here and to here, and then one returns from here and goes to the neutral on this. No, the hot on that. And that's it. Super simple to do. So that right now is live. That's why I've got it separated. Just because I want to show you guys the lights before I put in another one of those outlet boxes. It's gonna go over there. I'm torn now. I don't know if I want the lathe there or if I want it here. But anyways, watch this. Oh yeah, so much better. You can actually see what you're doing. But yeah, so I don't know if I want the lathe there or if I want it there. I really don't know. Here would be pretty good, because then if I'm running long stock, I can open that door and run it through. There, I'd have to drill a hole in the wall. So that's one negative there. You know what? Running through the list in my head, I can't think of any positives for that location versus this one. This one's got a lot more going for it. Another one is when I'm machining there, people can't come up behind me and scare the crap out of me, because that might happen. Friends. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put it here. So that works much more better. So that'll be the lathe one, which is box 1. And then what I'm gonna do is run another line off that to there. And then I'll set up the drill press and stuff there. So yeah, not a sponsor. Also not a sponsor. Yeah, I've been busy. It's been a lot of fun though. Yeah. Well guys, I just need to get 2 covers and then I'm done with this room. I went and tied up the cable. I got to do a few more, but I'm freaking tired. I think after this, I'm just going to go home and go to sleep. But yeah, it works. Plug ye old thinger in. Yeah. Awesome. I am happy with that. Sweet. Next thing, I gotta get some tubifers and start building version 2 of the table. But that'll be in a little bit. I'm freaking tired. I like it though. It's good. Oh yeah, I gotta grab that. Throw that in the back of my truck and take it to work. Anyways, guys, that'll do it for today. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.